The class party. The class party. By Amy Ayers. Photographs by K. McKinley. Today is the last day of school. Miss Green's class is having a party. There are muffins and juice for the class to share. The children will eat and play games together. They will hear a story. Then it will be time to leave. It will be a fun day. First, the children get their muffins. There are banana muffins and blueberry muffins. The muffins will be a good snack. There are 7 banana muffins to eat. Miss Green gives the children 5 banana muffins from the table. How many banana muffins are left? There are 2 banana muffins left on the table. Now, the other children get their muffins. These muffins have tasty blueberries in them. There are 8 blueberry muffins to eat. 8. Miss Green gives the children 4 blueberry muffins from the table. How many blueberry muffins are left? There are 4 blueberry muffins left on the table. 8 minus 4 equals 4. The children choose their juice. There is grape juice. There is apple juice, too. The juice will taste good with the muffins. There are 3 children who want grape juice to drink. 3. There are 7 more children who want grape juice to drink. There are 10 children in all who want grape juice. The grape juice tastes great. 3 plus 7 equals 10. The children are almost done getting snacks. Some children still need juice. There is 1 child who wants apple juice to drink. 1. There are 4 more children who want apple juice to drink. There are 5 children in all who want to drink apple juice. The apple juice tastes sweet. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Snack time is over, and now the children can choose something to do. Some children want to paint. There are 9 paintbrushes for painting. 9. They take 5 paintbrushes from the table. How many paintbrushes are left? There are 4 paintbrushes left on the table. Now the children can paint pictures. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Some children want to play with puppets. They will give a puppet show for the class. The show will be about fun things to do during the summer. They have 4 puppets on a tray. 4. The children take 3 puppets from the tray. How many puppets are left? There is 1 puppet left on the tray. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Some children want to play with wooden blocks. What will they build with the blocks? They will use the blocks to build a house. First, they take out 4 big blocks. 4. Then the children take out 2 small blocks. Now they have 6 wooden blocks in all. They are ready to build the house. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Other children want to use blocks to make a pattern. They choose a pattern to make. They need 10 pattern blocks to make this pattern. 10. The children have only 7 pattern blocks. How many more pattern blocks do they need to make this pattern? They need 3 more pattern blocks. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Soon it is time to clean up and listen to Miss Green read a story. She will read a story about the last day of school. First, 9 children sit down on the rug. 9. Then 6 more children sit down on the rug. Now 15 children in all are sitting on the rug. Miss Green reads the story. 9 plus 6 equals 15. The bell rings and it is time to leave. The children say goodbye to Miss Green. She tells them to have a good summer. It was a fun year for everyone. The children learned a lot and made many friends. They cannot wait to come back to school. Glossary. Equals. 1 plus 7 equals 8. Minus. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Muffin. A small round cake made to serve 1 person. Plus. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Puppet. A doll that fits over the hand. Think and respond. 1. There are 7 muffins on the table. 3 children take muffins. How many muffins are left? 2. 9 children want to draw pictures. 9 more children want to draw pictures. How many children in all want to draw pictures? 3. There are 4 cups of apple juice on the table. 3 children take apple juice. How many cups of apple juice are left? Write math. 4. Write a number story about a class party. Draw a picture to go with your story. Then write a number sentence to go with your story.